That's not Hyde Park. That's Heathrow Airport.
You're right.
Well, I never thought I'd say this, but let's get out of here.
Welcome to Doctor Who Locations Guide Time Flight. We're starting here at Heathrow Airport. Now, first of all, Terminal 1 was where the interior scenes were all filmed, and sadly that's now gone, so we are now at the closest one, Terminal 3.
Australia apologises for the delay to all flights, which is due to weather conditions at Heathrow.
You've landed us right in the middle of a terminal building.
So I have.
So after walking around Terminal 3, there's nowhere to see the actual runway where the TARDIS landed, or where Concorde was, so we're now going to go to Terminal 5. But before that, behind me is the Terminal 3 car park, and that was a shot of the Doctor and Tegan and everybody leaving at the end of the episode. We decided not to actually take photos inside of the car park due to airport security and things, so this was taken outside Terminal 3 looking at what there is now. We're now at Terminal 5. Unfortunately, this isn't the runway, because that was at Terminal 3, British Airways. However, Terminal 5 gives you a good view, free of the actual runways that look like from when they were in Doctor Who. The Cafe Nero at the back of Terminal 5 is pretty much the only place where you can actually view the actual runways without actually buying a plane ticket. Also, the original area where it was filmed was owned by British Airways, which is at Terminal 3.
I saw Concorde once on the tarmac at Melbourne.
For the next half of the locations, I travelled north to Manchester to visit the G-BOAC Concorde. It is easiest to drive up, but without a car, as I did that weekend, I took the train from Manchester Piccadilly to Manchester Airport. It then sadly cost me about 15 quid for a 2-minute drive to the park. It's a good hour walk. So the alternative, which I did on the way back, is a long walk around the perimeter of the airport, but you do get some good views of the planes. We're now at the one-way visitor park at Manchester Airport, and this is the final resting place of Concorde. It was £16 entry for a standard tour. Let's go inside Concorde and see where they filmed it. Unfortunately, they did not allow any videoing on the tour, but you can take as many pictures as you like, so I will show you the rest in pictures. You will see there has been a few bits of remodelling inside the plane, but they confirmed to me that it was the same plane that they used for the filming.
May I introduce my first officer, Andrew Bilton, our flight engineer, Roger Scobie.
Hello, Doctor. If we follow Victor Foxtrot's course and end up somewhere over the rainbow, well, we're on a one-way ticket just like Captain Urquhart's lot.
A quick note to say that the plane's leg in the episode was not the original from Concorde.
Very violently by the look of it. The touchdown was perfect. It's like having a tooth out under hypnosis. You don't feel a thing. But the approach to Heathrow was utterly real.